Good morning everyone. My name is Siri. I am studying 7th class. Today's science activity acid basic color change. Take a glass of water. Now add turmeric powder and mix it well. Now you can observe color change yellow. Add detergent powder and mix it well. Now you can observe color change into red.
Now take a lemon, add it well. Add it lemon juice, mix it well. You can see color change into yellow.
This is called acid basic color change. The turmeric is natural indicator. Thank you.